What's up, world? It's your girl Camaro Key, and welcome to Coffee and Camaros Chick.
AC lines, controller. Hey, we chose the Resto Mod Air for this build. We met these guys out at SEMA 2021. And they sold us on their product. They definitely had some nice new cool features we wanted to try out. They got a AC Resto Mod Bluetooth.
Hey.
So they say this thing here works off Bluetooth as well. So we're gonna see if we'll be able to hook it up and control it from the phone. If not, I'm gonna send this shit back.
That's gonna be dope.
They definitely got some nice controls. Nice billet style controls. Different colors. But something nice, new, different. We're gonna see how it all works. And if it don't, we're gonna talk some shit. So we're gonna figure out what all we got, what all we need. I see some bracket here. Let's see if we can get this bracket. I don't see any instructions. I see a bill sheet, but I don't see no instructions. Guess they figure we know how to do it. I guess. But I'm gonna squeeze this big ass haymaker in the little ass car. And hopefully it all works like it should. So I'm gonna get all the pieces to the puzzle, lay it out, see what we can get to work. We are a dealer as well for Resto Mod Air, so after I give you my review on it, if you want to try it out, give us a shout. We'll order you one. And we go from there. In the meantime, in between time, I'll be back in a minute.
I'll be back in 3. It's Camaro Key.
Yeah. I ain't coming through the cow. Yeah, that's gonna be the other problem. That's my drain duct. I'll be.
So y'all been hollering about an update, an update, an update. But here she is. Here she is. Getting the dash mopped up. Heat in there getting put in, installed. see the big box. So she's here. Still looking the way she looking. Got to get her to squat down. She got to come down. Can't have her booty jacked up in the air. That ain't how we ride around here. But she coming along. She is coming along. So that's an update. I know y'all was getting weary because I was posting other things. We had a lot going on. But Camaro Key still rolling. Next video, I give you the name. I ain't ready to give it to you yet. But she got one. And she coming. We want all the smoke. It's your girl Camaro Key. Be back in 3. Just like that.